मैम आज कौन सा चैप्टर पढ़ना है?
Today we will revise chapter refraction and dispersion of light.
Right.
Okay, children.
Good morning.
Tomorrow you will have your online test. And a portion I have given. The same chapter is your portion. यही chapter आपका portion में है, ठीक है? Now, all of you know what is refraction? Refraction जानते हैं?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When a light,
When a ray of light
Let us
propagating
start
when a
one by
light ray is
one.
propagating in
Aditya Raj. Aditya Raj,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is refraction of
Yes,
light?
ma'am.
Tell.
when a
Bolo.
light ray is propagating in one, ma'am, when a light ray is propagating in one transparent medium and it enter a ray in another, obliquely enter in another transparent medium, it usually bend its path. This phenomenon is known as refraction.
Yes. अनन्या एक बार और रिपीट करिए सेम डेफिनेशन को.
Yes, ma'am. Refraction is the phenomena in which a ray of light propagating in one transparent medium changes its direction of propagation when it goes into another medium.
When it travels from one medium to another medium. Okay. Where do we see refraction of light in our day-to-day life? Sanidhya. Sanidhya. Shubh Narayan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in our day-to-day lives, we see refraction in when a glass of water is kept, and the light reflects when it propagates through the glass of water.
Ma'am, in
And what do you
pond,
see due to propagation? Propagation में क्या दिखता है उसमें? Glass of water में क्या दिखता है?
Ma'am, the light appears to bend its path when it travels within the glass. Glass.
तो कैसे?
Water.
How will you prove? आप day to day का एक example दो ना. Give one example. What you have studied about refraction. Coin का example है, pencil का example है, pond
Straw.
का example है. हाँ, pencil का बोलो या फिर face distorted लगता है. These all are the examples from our day to day life. ठीक है? वो भी आ सकता है. ये general question. Now, after that, Aditya, no, Athar. Athar,
Yes, ma'am.
Athar, you tell me what is the cause of refraction of light? What is the cause of refraction of light? Children, if you will not go through the lesson, yesterday only I told you. Navya, you are
Yes, ma'am.
raising your hand? Tell me.
The cause of refraction of light is basically due to change in the speed of light when it goes from one medium to another.
When it goes from one medium to another medium. ठीक है? Ananya,
Yes, ma'am.
define relative refractive index.
The ratio of the speed in a given pair of medium, that is media 1 to media 2, is known as refractive index.
Once again, एक बार और बोलिए.
The ratio of speed of light in two different medium, that is medium 1 and 2, is known as relative refractive index for the.
Okay, ठीक है. What is the correlation between refractive index and optical density? Shubh Narayan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, absolute refractive index and optical density.
नहीं, refractive index and optical density.
Yes, ma'am. Optical density is directly proportional to the refractive index.
Okay, the more you can also say in this word, the directly proportional is also correct.
The more,
You can say
is
the more the
refractive index.
refractive index, the more is the optical density. That is also correct. Now, what are the rules of refraction? Who will tell this answer?
Ma'am, may
Aditya
I,
Raj.
Aditya yes, ma'am. When a light ray propagating in one optical rarer medium and it enter in optical denser medium, it usually bend its path toward the normal. Second law, when a light ray propagating in optical denser medium and enter in optical rarer medium, it usually bend its path. It usually bend away from normal.
Yes, ठीक है. Okay, very good. Who else can answer? Mohit, Kevlin. Kevlin, can you answer this? What are the rules of refraction? These are very general questions that can be asked. Mohit, Nishant.
A ray of light bends towards the normal when it goes obliquely from an optical rare medium to an optical denser medium. A ray of light bends away from the normal when it goes obliquely from an optical denser medium to an optical rare medium.
ठीक है, correct. Nishav. Nishav, are you there? Nishav. Pransu Ranjan. Just come forward. Unmute your mic and come forward. Who is there next? Sanidhya. Sanidhya. You all are not hearing me or what? आवाज नहीं सुन रहे हो?
Yes,
Ma'am,
I'm
you are
सुन रहे हैं.
audible, ma'am.
हाँ?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
you are
सुन
audible.
रहे हैं.
They are not participating in the class. This is not done, children. Shashwat.
Yes,
Shivam.
ma'am.
You are Shashwat?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो बोलिए. You have to participate in the class activity, whatever is going on. Tell me what are the rules of refraction of light?
When an light ray goes from optically rarer medium to optically denser medium, it bends towards normal. Second, when an ray goes from optically denser medium to optically rarer medium, it bends away from normal.
Okay. Now Satvik Kaushik.
Yes,
Are you there?
yes, ma'am.
Satvik, आप बोलिए. What are emergent rays?
Ma'am, can
What
I?
are emergent rays? Satvik.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, bolo.
The final ray which come from the refraction, it's called emergent ray.
Once again, Vaishvi. एक बार और बोलो.
The final ray coming out from the refraction is called emergent ray.
Coming out of the glass slab, ये भी बोलना है. ठीक है? Is known as emergent ray. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Define a
emergent-
prism.
मैम, इमर्जेंट रे सिर्फ ग्लास स्लैब में ही होता है.
नहीं, यहाँ पर हम लोग चूंकि ग्लास स्लैब की बात कर रहे हैं इसलिए. अभी हम लोग जो भी एक्टिविटी किए हैं वो ग्लास स्लैब से रिलेटेड किए हैं ना?
यस मैम।
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
तो डेफिनेशन में ग्लास स्लैब लिखना जरूरी है।
हम्म?
मैम डेफिनेशन में ग्लास स्लैब लिखना जरूरी है।
I'm not getting your question. Speak loudly.
मैम
मैम वो
डेफिनेशन
पूछ
में
रहे
ग्लास स्लैब लिखना जरूरी है।
लिख दोगे तो ज्यादा क्लियर होगा, बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग ओवर हियर। आपका जो लेवल है अभी हम लोग उसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? और ये रिलेटेड आएगा आपको, ग्लास स्लैब से ही रिलेटेड मैटर आएगा। कोई भी क्वेश्चन आएगा तो आप उसी के बारे में ना लिखोगे,
यस मैम।
ठीक है? नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज अ प्रिज्म?
मैम कैन आई?
Can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
ओके,
Can I?
नहीं, अमन, अमन आप बोलो।
Yes, ma'am.
अमन, हाँ बोलिए।
Yes, ma'am. A prism is a piece of transparent material bounded by two plane surface inclined at an angle.
ठीक है। Where is this prism used? Srishti Singh.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can
can I? Ananya?
मैम कैन आई?
Aman, I am asking. Aman, आप बोलो. Where is this prism used?
Yes, ma'am. We generally use prism having triangular faces.
और कहाँ यूज होता है? Where do we use this prism? इसका क्या प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन है?
इट इज यूज्ड इन
वो
It
तो
is used in
आप
this
मैम
किस
may I
तरह का
Aditya Raj?
प्रिज्म यूज करते हैं ना, वो तो हुआ कि किस तरह का प्रिज्म यूज करते हैं, कहाँ यूज
मैम
किया जाता है, प्रिज्म का क्या काम है, व्हाट इज इट्स वर्क?
मैम to
Ma'am.
show the phenomenon of dispersion.
Yes, to show
splitting
the
the white light
phenomenon
into
of
7 colors.
splitting of light rays or dispersion of light. We use prism. Now tell me, what are the different or define dispersion of light? Dispersion of light को define करिए। नारायणी,
Ma'am,
The
can I?
splitting
नारायणी,
of
are you
white
there?
light.
Can I?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ
The
बोलिए।
splitting of white light into its component colors.
What are its component? What is the number of that component color? So directly
Seven.
say that.
Seven, ma'am.
Seven with your
7 colors are
Seven.
there.
Ma'am, seven colors.
Gold.
Violet,
Seven
indigo,
with
तो आप
gold.
directly बोलिए, splitting of white light into 7 colors is known as dispersion of light. Then
Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
हाँ ठीक है, that is Vibgyor. ये हमेशा याद रखना है। Vibgyor is the sequence of dispersion. वो sequence है। Then where do we see this dispersion in nature? Nature में ये कहाँ
Rainbow.
देखते हैं हम लोग?
Rainbow.
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 Which color of this during this dispersion bends the minimum? कौन सा color?
Red.
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 color. Bends the
Red
minimum.
color.
Red color.
Maximum
Which
violet.
color bends the
Maximum is the
maximum?
And
Maximum
violet is the
white.
maximum.
Violet.
Maximum
Violet.
is violet color.
Violet.
That bends the maximum. Yes, ma'am.
Whose speed is minimum? Which color's
Ma'am, in-
speed is minimum?
Red.
Ma'am,
Violet.
violet.
Red.
Violet.
Red.
ना,
Violet color.
Violet.
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 red का तो maximum होगा.
Violet colors speed.
Yes. 15. Okay. पीछे भी एक मिनट। Now we will move to this lenses. Some terms related to it, define it. Definition of defined center of curvature.
The
The
center
center of
point
the
of the
sphere,
Center of the
the
sphere from
center of
which
the
Center
sphere
of the
of
two
which
of the
given
sphere
mirror is
from
apart.
which
Sphere
the
of
the
lenses are
lens
taken.
which
are
the
apart.
given
The
lenses are
center of
apart.
two spheres of which the two
The center of the
Center
sphere of
of
the center of
spheres
curvature
is
of the
known
center of
as
sphere
center
of
of
which given mirror
curvature.
is apart.
Mirror nahi lens.
Okay, radii of curvature. One of you speak.
The radii of two
The
spheres
ra-
of which
the-
lengths of the
the-
surface are apart are known as radii of curvature of the two surface of the lens.
Okay. Next, Aditya. Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
principal axis.
The line joining the center of curvature of the two spheres
Of lens.
The
of
line
lenses.
joining the center of curvature of the two surfaces of a lens is known as principal axis. Complete boliye clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Kashmir,
Yes, ma'am.
optical center.
Yes, ma'am. The special point on the principal axis of a lens through which light passes without undergoing any bend or deviation.
Yes. Ankit Anand is there. Ankit Anand. Mohit. You will join
Yes,
the
ma'am.
class and go to sleep or what? Mohit, bolo. What is focal length?
The distance between the optical center and principal focus of the lens is called focal length.
Yes, ठीक है. What is principal focus? Who will tell?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, Ananya.
बोलिए.
Ma'am,
Vashvi, you tell.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
I?
A point on the principal axis where all the rays incident parallel to principal axis actually meet or appear to meet after refraction through the given lens is known as principal focus.
Okay, ठीक है. Correct.
मैम इसमें
Then
first और
what are
second
the three
principal focus
special
दोनों का
rays for lenses?
मैम प्रिंसिपल फोकस का डिफिनीशन में फर्स्ट और सेकंड प्रिंसिपल फोकस दोनों को ना इंक्लूड कर देंगे.
कर सकते हो, दोनों भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन एक नहीं. इसका करोगे कन्वेक्स और कनकेव विद कन्वर्ज और डाइवर्ज जरूर लिख देना. ठीक है. All if a beam of rays all parallel to the principal axis of a lens fall on the lens, all such rays either converge to a point on the principal axis or appear to diverge from a point on the principal axis, because we are giving the definition for convex and concave both. दोनों के लिए ये definition बोल रहे
मैम
हैं.
तो उसमें फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल फोकस भी होगा ना.
फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल फोकस सेम ही चीज है. बोथ आर सेम. ठीक है. तो उसका फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल का थोड़ा डिफरेंट हो जाता है. ये सेकंड प्रिंसिपल फोकस का डेफिनेशन है. वो फिर आप पैरेलल नहीं बोलिएगा वहां पर. A ray which is passing from the focus
और appear to pass from the focus.
वो डिफरेंस हो जाता है. ये सेकंड प्रिंसिपल फोकस. जब आपको प्रिंसिपल फोकस आएगा ना तो सेकंड प्रिंसिपल फोकस का ही डिफाइन करिएगा. अगर उसके लिए पर्पसली लिखा रहेगा कि डिफाइन फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल फोकस, तब आपको डेफिनेशन दीजिएगा. देन यू गिव दैट डेफिनेशन. What are the three special rays for lenses?
When a light ray is parallel to principal axis after refraction.
एक आदमी सब
Yes,
एक साथ
ma'am.
नहीं.
मैम शुभ नारायण.
मैम आदित्य राज.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the three
पहले
special rays.
सुब्रनारायण को बोलने दो, फिर दूसरा बच्चा बोलेगा.
The three special rays for spherical lenses are: first, the ray which is parallel to the principal focus; second, the ray which passes through the principal focus or appears to pass from the principal focus; and third, the ray which passes through the optical center of the lens and goes undeviated.
मैम ये उन
दो
दोनों का
तुम
नहीं बोला
इनकम्प्लीट
आफ्टर
बोल रहे.
रिफ्लेक्शन.
फर्स्ट का
Yes.
बोलो, फर्स्ट का कोई एक और इसको ठीक से बोलिए तो. नेक्स्ट
मैम हम
बॉय
बोले आदित्य
आदित्य, आप
राज.
बोलिए.
Yes, ma'am. When a
हाँ,
light
बोलो.
ray, when a light ray usually parallel to principal axis, after reflection from lens, it usually bend from focus.
To focus
To focus.
or away focus.
Or an incident ray passing through the optical center of lens goes undeviated from the lens. Third, an incident ray which is passing through the focus after reflection, it becomes parallel
First
to the
principal
principal
focus.
axis. Yes, ma'am. First principal focus.
फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल फोकस. और आप फर्स्ट में पैरेलल नहीं बोले, रे विच इज पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, ये भी बोलना जरूरी है. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट, और कौन बोलेगा? सेम क्वेश्चन, दीज आर कॉमन क्वेश्चंस.
Ma'am, can I?
वैश्वी,
Ma'am, can I, Ananya?
अनन्या बोलो. अनन्या टेल.
Yes, ma'am. First, an incident ray parallel to the principal axis passes through or appears to pass through the second principal focus of the lens. Second, incident ray passing through the optical center of the lens goes undeviated from the lens. Third, an incident ray passing through the first principal focus of the lens or directed towards it becomes parallel to the principal axis after refraction from the lens.
Yes, correct. So now all of you are knowing this. ये इस क्वेश्चन सबको पता है ना? यही सब कॉमन क्वेश्चंस है जो आपको टेस्ट में आ सकता है. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me. Where will the object be kept to get a inverted and magnified image of the real inverted and magnified image of the object by a convex lens?
When the object
When the
is
object
placed
is kept
between
between
2F
F or F.
lens point of the
When
lens.
2F and F of
When
the
the
lens.
object is
And
placed
F
between
also.
2F and F of the points of the lens of
Okay.
convex.
ठीक है. Now tell me one position where we get virtual erect and magnified image by a convex lens.
Between focus and
Between
optical
F
center
and
of
Object
convex
optical
lens.
center and the focus of point of the
Between the
lens.
optical center and focus point of the lens.
Yes, object between focus, optical center and focus. What will be the position of the image if the object is beyond 2F for a concave lens? For a concave lens.
The image is formed between focus.
It will be virtual
focus
erect and
point
diminished.
and-
one.
It will be
and
Optical
virtual
optical
erect and
center of the-
diminished.
Virtual erect and diminished.
Virtual erect and
We will get a
Virtual
virtual
erect
erect,
and
erect
diminished.
and diminished image of the object.
Yes, virtual erect and diminished, but it is formed between O and F.
F optical
Focus and
center.
optical
Will,
center.
if we change the position of the object, will the nature and position of the image change in,
No.
in case of
No,
concave
ma'am. No,
lens?
ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Size change
No,
होता है.
ma'am.
ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Size
ma'am.
का भी थोड़ा सा
Size भी नहीं change होता
Ma'am,
है.
size.
डिमिनिश
मैम अगर इंफिनिटी पे हो तो साइज तो बहुत छोटा हो जाएगा, और अगर बहुत ज्यादा पास हो तो इमेज का साइज बढ़ जाता है.
वो स्लाइड डिफरेंस है, बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. उसको डिमिनिश्ड ही
Diminished
कहा
रहता है.
जाता है. सब पोजीशन पर वो डिमिनिश्ड ही इमेज बनाता है.
Yes, ma'am.
स्लाइड डिफरेंस में भी देर, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है, उसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ही है कि कनकेव लेंस में वर्चुअल इरेक्ट और डिमिनिश्ड इमेज बनेगा. Where are this lenses applied? Name some few applications.
The lenses
in
are applied in
telescopes and
microscope,
microscopes.
telescopes, camera,
Telescopes.
and human eye also uses built-in lenses that
Magnifying
play
glass.
important role in its functioning.
Yes, magnifying glass, microscope, telescope, and photographic
Photographic camera.
camera.
मैम बल्ब में भी होता है.
मैम जो
Now
ह्यूमन
here-
आई जो लेंस यूज करता है मैम, आर्टिफिशियल लेंस, मैम कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज, वो यहाँ पे इसका एग्जांपल नहीं दे सकते हैं.
क्या
मैम वो भी
किस चीज में
है.
उसका एग्जाम्पल देना चाहते हैं?
मैम spectacles.
यस मैम.
आप दे सकते हो, क्यों नहीं दे सकते हो? Because it is also artificially designed ना. So convex
Yes,
or
ma'am.
concave according to the difficulty in the eye we are using. तो आप दे सकते हो.
यस मैम.
Now here almost all the exam questions we have discussed, which is from inside the book. बाकी सब आपका क्या है? Reasoning है and the your diagrammatic question.
क्वेश्चन आंसर.
Yeah. So go through the questions which are given in the book also. Now listen to the question properly and then answer. When a spherical lens is held towards the sun and a sharp image is formed on a piece of black paper, a hole gets burnt in the black paper after some time. Name the lens used in the above activity.
Convex
Convex
lenses.
lens or
Convex lens.
converging
Convex
lens.
Convex
lens is
lens.
Converging lens. Yes, ठीक है, converging lens भी बोल सकते हो. What type name is given to the distance between the spherical lens and the black paper?
Focal length.
Focal length.
Focal
Focal
length.
length.
focal length.
Yes. What is the relative advantage of using a black paper rather than a white paper?
Because
Black
black
paper,
paper
paper
Color
absorbs
absorbs more heat than any
and
other
the
color.
heat to ignition temperature
Reaches to
very
ignition
quickly.
temperature quickly.
Black
It
paper
reaches
absorbs
the
black
ignition temperature.
are the best absorbers, and they concentrate a large amount of solar energy on very small area.
हाँ, ठीक है, that is also correct. Now other questions are all reasoning question, children. You go through it. हालांकि diagrammatic question टेस्ट के लिए तो नहीं हो सकता है, लेकिन आप प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए.
मैम
हाँ.
डी के 1 का बी क्या था?
कौन सा?
मैम डी के 1 का बी आंसर, क्वेश्चन आंसर.
डी का 1 का बी.
यस मैम.
False normally on medium
In
B.
the condition under which no change in direction of propagation of light ray
It's
would take
propagated
place,
directly towards the
then it passes from medium A to
When
medium
the
B.
incident ray makes a right angle at the point of incidence.
मैम
Zero
ये
degree.
लिख सकते हैं when the
False
light
normally.
ray is
Directed towards normal.
perpendicular to the
हाँ,
boundary.
लिख सकते हैं. Perpendicular भी लिख
Incident
सकते
ray 0 degree.
हैं. हाँ,
हाँ.
ठीक है. चलो. Why
मैम, एक
does
question था.
हाँ,
मैम एक ट्रांसपेरेंट पेपर पे जब हम लोग एक वाटर ड्रॉप डालते हैं और किसी चीज को पढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो मैग्नीफाइड इमेज क्यों मिलता है?
वो लेंस की
Phenomenon
तरह
of
बिहेव करने
refraction.
लगता है. वाटर से नहीं होगा, ऑयल डालोगे तब होगा, जो ट्रेसिंग पेपर में होता है उसका ये बदल जाता है. ठीक है. और वाटर से जनरली नहीं होगा, ऑयल डालोगे तब. ऑयल से वो ट्रेसिंग पेपर की तरह बिहेव करने लगता है. ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
ओके ठीक है, थैंक यू। और कुछ पूछना है आप लोग को?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
सो योर वर्क इज टू रिवाइज ये न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज वाला क्वेश्चन देख लीजिएगा, जो क्वेश्चन नंबर E5 और 6 में है। ये भी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है, आपको सिर्फ उसका ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस से डिस्क्राइब करना है कि आपका कहाँ रहेगा पोजीशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड नेचर एंड पोजीशन ऑफ द इमेज। ठीक है, एनीथिंग मोर टू बी डिस्कस चिल्ड्रन?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ओके, थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am.
एंड प्लीज
Thank you,
अपीयर, ऑल ऑफ यू
Thank you,
अपीयर इन
ma'am.
द एग्जाम।
Thank you, ma'am.
कल का एग्जाम सब लोग दोगे, डोंट लीव योर एग्जाम।
Yes, ma'am.